Hello, my name is Max. Today I wish to show a very quick demo of using HID OMNIKEY SE Plug with a FIDO2-compatible NFC authentication key. We will be using WebAuthn and YubiKey for this demonstration. Firstly, FIDO is an acronym for Fast Identity Online. It is based on PKI private and public key pairs. We will show you how to set up your SE plug for secure login without a password, with a video demonstration at the end. From your browser, navigate to https://webauthn.io. This website provides an example of how to register and log in using FIDO2. The demo site requires new registration each day. Enter a username, then click Register. Windows Security will automatically pop up and offer to save to your Windows device, but we want to use an NFC security key, so select Change and choose to save your passkey to your security key. The website will automatically recognize the SE plug and request that you tap the NFC security key to the reader, in this instance a YubiKey NFC, but you can also use an HID Crescendo card Swissbit token or any other NFC authentication key that supports FIDO2. It will then ask for a 6-digit PIN to be set, and then the website has registered itself and written its certificate to the security key. You should see a success message confirming that your certificate has been saved to your security key. So next, we want to check the token has been registered by trying to log into the website by clicking Authenticate. The website has remembered that we are using a security key and asks you to present the key to the reader. And once the security key has been placed to the reader, it will ask for the 6-digit PIN. Then we are logged in. Now we will show a demo recording using the website. Here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.